Hello folks, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, I do reviews of menswear products. I try to keep it as honest and as genuine as possible. Everything I talk about, I either wear a lot or I plan to wear a lot. I bought with my own money, and I'm not affiliated or associated with any brand or company. So what are we talking about today? Got a package here from none other than Nudie Jeans. So these are going to be a new pair of pants. And yeah, Nudie is a really, really cool company. I've heard a lot of good things about them. So I'm excited to see how these look in real life. And let's see what we got. So these are really, really nice already. Like the way they look. These are a pair of Nudies in the Solid Ollie cut. These look really, really cool. One thing I'm excited is, that back pocket stitching is really cool. I really, really like that. Every time I see that, I know someone who's wearing Nudies, and I think it's really, really cool. Really awesome stitching on these overall. Like, it's really vivid, like orange thread. Yeah, these feel really, really nice. So I'm gonna pop these on and we'll take a look at the fit. So got the jeans on and they fit really nice. My legs like slid right into them. Really, really smooth. A lot of the times with selvage denim, as these are selvage, they're really, really stiff and really hard to get into, but these I had no problems at all. Yeah, I think these are like a 13 ounce selvage denim. There is a little bit of room in the waist, but I think just like one simple wash will take care of that. And they feel really, really nice. I'm super excited for these. So we'll take a look at the bottoms. So here is the bottom of the jeans. I have them cuffed twice. Wearing a pair of moccasins right now, but cuffed twice. And yeah, if these do shrink up, they'll probably only be able to cuff once, but that's totally fine. So yeah, these fit really, really good. I'm super excited for these. They're a little bit wider than some of my other jeans, and that's kind of why I bought them. I like that sort of wide fit, cuffed. I think that looks really cool. All right, guys, so there you have it. Nudie jeans in the Solid Ollie cut. Selvage jeans. Really digging these. I'm gonna wear these in. Hopefully get some awesome fades on these. So that's gonna conclude the review for today. As always, please like and follow and drop your comments if you have them. And I'll see you in the next video.